Welcome to Memphis, Tennessee, meaning established and beautiful. A city filled with history and music, where the vibrant Beale Street comes alive especially at night. This iconic street played a pivotal role in branding Memphis as one of the most musically rich cities in the world, and it was prominent in hosting some of the first black business owners in the South. The street was host to the birth of blues music, the civil rights movement, rock and roll, racks of ribs, and bands. Memphis is where B.B. King went to pursue his musical career. It's where Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll, made his home after his family moved from Mississippi in 1948. Memphis produced legends such as Aretha Franklin, Morgan Freeman, and Justin Timberlake, just to name a few. It is also where civil rights leader and activist Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. took his last breath. Follow along as we take this journey through the University of Memphis.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the ground, high and it died, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Making our way to the University of Memphis, welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and I want to thank you all so much for tuning into yet another episode with me for another school tour. Y'all, we got a lot to cover today, but before we do get started, please, y'all, do me a huge favor, and it is imperative to this channel. Like, comment, hi, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content, and it truly helps me more than you all know. So, like I said, we're not gonna waste too much time here in the intro, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get rolling. Alright, y'all, before we move forward, I want to give a huge shout out to MJEN Drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJEN Drinks, MJEN They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out. Purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them. So our first stop today is going to be the It place on campus, the cultural heart of campus. It is the Maxine A. Smith University Center. Now, this is the place that you're going to go if you want to find something good to eat, or if you want to sit out on the patio in between classes after a long day of classes, or on the weekend. They have a nice grassy area around here as well. The heart of the campus. This is where they have the university department building, student offices, a lot of options for food. There's a theater back here as well. Y'all, I'm just going to go ahead, show y'all what Maxine A. Smith got going on inside. Now, for everyone that is interested in fitness and they love working out, welcome to the R. Brad Martin Student Wellness Center. Now, this center provides a wide variety of fitness opportunities, classes, a teaching/demonstration kitchen, and many more exciting features. With over 78,000 square feet of fitness fun, the new amenities include a wide array of cardio and weight equipment and machines, indoor and outdoor basketball courts, a wellness patio, a smoothie bar, a teaching kitchen, 4 fitness studios, and many, many more. And outside of the wellness center is also an outdoor pool. Now this is the Hunter Harrison Memorial Bridge. It is right outside of the Student Wellness Center, and also you can get really nice views from the top, and it overlooks the University of Memphis. We are now heading into the V. Lane Rollins Service Court, also known as the Bookstore. Campus Bookstore has an Amazon pickup. They also have a nice lounge here. You can chill with your friends, study, read, chill after class. And they also have a Starbucks, so if you want to get some coffee and start your day off right, you can come right here to the bookstore. Now you know I couldn't come to the University of Memphis and not mention the Memphis Eight, which were 8 students who integrated Memphis State University in 1959. Now this is the administration building, also known as the admin building. So this is everything administration. They have the Department of Academic Affairs, personal records, the accounting office, accounts payable, so that's money, art services, assistant to the president's office. Everything administration, you're gonna come here and I'm sure they'll have answers for you. So it's a lot of offices in here. Business development, campus information systems, all of that stuff come to the admin building. Now this is the main library of the University of Memphis. Now you're going to spend a lot of time here, especially doing assignments, studying for your midterms, your finals, tests in general. You're going to spend a lot of time at this library, so you may want to know the pronunciation of it because I didn't want to butcher anybody's name. So we're just going to say the main library at the University of Memphis. Alright y'all, so let's head into some art and theater and music and dance, because I'm a theater artist myself, so I really appreciate the art. Some people don't. But this is going to be the whole creative space in the arts over at University of Memphis. You have the art building, and then you have the music building, and then you have the theater building, and then you have the Performing Arts Center. So I'm just going to show y'all what's in this creative space over here. Alright rollers, so our last stop today is going to be the Simmons Bank Liberty Stadium. It is home to the University of Memphis Tigers football team, also hosts the annual Liberty Bowl, and the huge Southern Heritage Classic.
Watching the Grammy award-winning Aristocrat dance. Let's keep this thing going. Let's go.
Well, y'all, that ends another episode of Campus Tours. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in, and if you made it to the end of this video, you are a true roller. Y'all, thank you, and please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest content. And like I always say, until the next episode, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all